Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make a video talking about what's going to be happening this upcoming week for e-learning. So for Algebra 1, we're mostly going to be using Algebra Nation. They have a whole bunch of videos there for you. So every Monday, I'm going to upload a calendar of what you should be working on for that week. So I'm going to give you a list of what you should be doing every single day, but I'm not checking any of your work until Sunday at midnight. So you can work at your own pace, but you should be following pretty closely to the calendar to make sure that you're staying on track. So with that said, you're going to be watching videos. You're going to be doing the check your understanding questions. There's 3 questions per video. And that's going to be your homework or your participation grade. So for those questions, you can redo them as many times as you want. But make sure that you're taking your time on them, because I can see how long it's taking you to watch the videos, to do the homework problems. So if I see that you're clicking through and you're taking it in about 30 seconds, we're going to have a conversation about you making sure that you're actually trying the questions and not just clicking through them. Okay, so that's going to be mostly what you're going to be doing for the week. At the end of each week, so on Friday, there's also going to be a quiz for you to take. That's going to be one try based on that information from that week. And then that'll be a Microsoft form, and I will send out another video about that, just on how to use it. Okay, so it's multiple choice or free response questions that you can fill in, and that is going to be a quiz grade for you guys. So your grades are mostly going to be comprised of your watching the videos, you're doing the check your understandings, and then you're taking the quiz at the end of the week. Okay, so every week and every day, there's going to be a live Zoom session for you guys to ask me questions. So on your own, you're going to be watching those videos, but if you have any questions about the content specifically, that your question wasn't answered in the videos that you watched, or if you have a question about, I can't get to the videos, I'm not seeing it, or something like, I'm not sure how to put this in my calculator, any questions that you would ask me in class, you're going to be able to ask me during those Zoom live sessions. So I have time specifically set up for you guys, so please make sure you're paying attention to the Algebra 1 times, because I also have my Algebra 2 students who are going to be in the live sessions as well. So make sure that you guys are sticking to your time spot. And then if you have any questions, please ask them during the live sessions instead of sending me a message, because if I get tons of messages, it's going to take me a long time to get back to you. So it's going to be quickest if you go through Zoom. With that said, if you can't make a Zoom live session and you still have questions, please send me a message then. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of stuff posted on Edsby with links to things and just the schedule of what's coming up for the week. So make sure that you are scrolling through and you're not just looking at that top post, because things are going to be piling up and there's going to be a lot of posts there. So you have to make sure that you scroll through it. So before you ask me a question on something, make sure that you've looked at the class page first and see if you can answer your own question if I've already put something up there for it. Okay, so for this week, I also posted the assignment for you guys to submit a screenshot of your textbook, so make sure that you still do that. If you're having trouble with that, please ask me during one of the Zoom live sessions and I can show you by sharing the screen, okay? But make sure that you are using the submit button and you're not just sending me a message, okay? So for the rest of our online learning, it's pretty much going to be the same schedule. So on Monday, I'm going to post everything that you need for the week, and then everything is going to be due on Sunday night. Okay, so you have the whole week to work on it, but make sure that you're keeping up, because if you leave everything till Saturday or Sunday, you can't ask me questions anymore, because I'm only going to have the Zoom live sessions from Monday through Friday. So please make sure that you're keeping up as much as you can. I know that there are going to be some days that you might not be able to work on your math, and that's fine, but make sure you're not getting more than like a day or 2 behind. Okay, so make sure you're staying up with that. So that's pretty much it for what's going to be happening for the next week or 2 weeks. And I will keep you guys updated, and I will hopefully see you on Monday.